Our objective in this lesson is to solve problems involving oblique triangles. Let's have a quick recap of what we have learned previously. Here are the list of possible combination of parts of a triangle. We have two angles on one side, the AAS, two angles and an included side, angle, side angle, two sides and one angle, the SSA. These three here can be solved using sine law. Next one, we have two sides and an included angle, side angle side, and three sides, SSS. These two can be solved using cosine law and then sine law. How about the last one? Three angles, AAA. Do we have this? No, we don't, because there should be at least one side. Now, let us try this. Starting from the same location, Kim and Sian take different paths, forming an angle of 120 degrees. If after 30 minutes, Kim has walked 3 kilometers and Zian has walked 5 kilometers, how far apart are they from each other? Let us visualize this using a diagram. So let this be the point S, the starting location, and Kim traveled on this path, while Zian take the different path. In between them is an angle that measures 120 degrees. Kim has walked 3 kilometers, while Zian has walked 5 kilometers. The question is, how far apart are they from each other? So we are looking for this distance. This is the side opposite angle S, so this is side S. What do we have here? We have the side, angle, side, SAS. And this can be solved using cosine law. So to solve for S, we're going to make use of S squared is equal to K squared plus X squared minus 2KX times the cosine of S. K is the side opposite angle K, so this is 5. X is the side opposite angle X, so this is 3. Let us substitute those. We only need for the value of S, so we're going to extract square roots on both sides. The radical symbol here and these two will cancel out. 5 squared is 25, 3 squared is 9. 2 times 5 is 10 times 3 is 30, so this is negative 30. Cosine 120 degrees, do you still remember your special angles? This is the same as cosine 60 degrees, which is 1/2. But this time it is negative because 120 degrees lies on the second quadrant. So we have 25 plus 9 minus 30 times negative 1/2. 25 plus 9 is 34. Negative times negative is positive. 30 times 1 is 30 divided by 2 is 15. 34 plus 15 is 49 and the square root of 49 is 7. If you are confused with this, then you may want to use your scientific calculator. Let us solve it. So we have 5 squared plus 3 squared minus 2 times 5 times 3 times the cosine of 120 degrees. And this will give us 7. So our answer is correct. Now let us answer the question, how far apart are they from each other? Kim and Zian are 7 kilometers apart after 30 minutes. Let us do extra challenge. A flagpole has started to lean due to strong winds. Two Boy Scouts, Daniel and Alden, decided to attach ropes from the top of the flagpole to two different points on the ground. From Alden's location, the rope makes an angle of 35 degrees with the ground. And from Daniel's location, the rope makes an angle of 50 degrees with the ground. If the distance between Danielle and Alden is 8 meters, find the length of each rope. So let us visualize this using a picture. I have here a flagpole leaning due to strong winds. Now, Danielle and Alden decided to attach ropes. So we have two ropes attached from the top of the flagpole to the ground. Here is the second rope. Now, let us analyze. Remember that as you go closer to the object, the angle becomes bigger. So this one has a bigger angle. So this is the 50 degrees and this is from Danielle's location. While this one is from Alden's location. Let us create our imaginary horizontal line. So again, this one is the bigger angle. So this is 50 degrees. And this one is 35 degrees. Now, Danielle and Alden are 8 meters apart. We are asked to solve for the length of the two ropes. So let us say this is rope X from Danielle and this one is rope Y from Alden. Let me create a free body diagram here. So you can see here clearly that this is a straight line, so meaning it creates 180 degrees. If this is 50 degrees, then its supplementary angle measures 130 degrees. From this triangle, I can compute for the measure of this angle by subtracting 130 degrees and 35 degrees from 180 degrees. 180 degrees minus 130 degrees is 50 degrees, minus 35 degrees is 15 degrees. So this angle here measures 15 degrees. Remember that the sum of the angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Let us continue. Let me solve first the length of Alden's rope, which is length y. So I'm going to use y and the opposite angle, which is 130 degrees. And then also 8 and its opposite angle, which is 15 degrees. So only y is missing. I can make use of sine law. Y over sine 130 degrees is equal to 8 over sine 15 degrees. Cross multiplication, we have y times sine 15 degrees is equal to 8 times sine 130 degrees. We only need y, so we're going to divide both sides by sine 15 degrees. So these two will cancel out. So I have y is equal to 8 times sine 130 degrees all over sine of 15 degrees. Let us compute that. So we have here 8 times the sine of 130 degrees all over sine 15 degrees. And this will give us 23.68, round off to the nearest hundredths. Let me write it here, 23.68. Now I'm going to solve for the length of x. This time I'm going to use x and the opposite angle, which is 35 degrees, and then 8 and the opposite angle, which is 15 degrees. So x divided by sine 35 is equal to 8 divided by the sine of 15. Again, cross multiplication, dividing both sides by sine 15 degrees. So this two will cancel out. X is equal to 8 times sine 35 degrees all over sine 15 degrees. Let us compute that. So we have 8 times sine of 35 degrees all over sine 15 degrees. And this will give us 17.73, round off to the nearest hundredths. Let me write it here, 17.73. Now let us answer the question. The length of Alden's rope is 23.68 meters and the length of Danielle's rope is 17.73 meters. For the summary, here are the steps in solving word problems involving oblique triangles. Take time to understand this. Now, it is time to check your understanding. Pause this video for more time. lookout posts A and B, 10 miles apart, are established along coast to watch for pirate ships coming within 3-mile limit. If post A reports a ship S at angle BAS equals 37 degrees 30 minutes, and post B reports the same ship at angle ABS at 20 degrees, how far is the ship from post A? Assume that the shore is along the line joining the two observation posts. Let us understand the question using a picture. So I have here the ship S. We have two lookout posts. So this is post A and this one is post B. And they are 10 miles apart. If post A reports a ship S at angle BAS, let us create a line here. And here is the angle 37 degrees, 30 minutes. Post B reports the same ship, this time at angle ABS. Let us create a line here. And this is angle 20 degrees. How far is the ship from post A? So we are looking for this distance. This side is opposite this angle, so this is side B. Since I already have the measures of two angles here, I can easily compute for the measurement of this angle by subtracting this 2 from 180 degrees. And this will give me 122 degrees, 30 minutes. Let me write it here. So let us analyze. We have here angle, side, angle, asa. And this can be solved using sine law. So I have B over sine B equals S over sine S. B is the unknown. Angle B is 20 degrees. S here is the side opposite angle S, so this is 10. And capital S is the angle 122 degrees, 30 minutes. Cross multiplication, dividing both sides by sine 122 degrees, 30 minutes. So this 2 will cancel out. So let us solve for this one. We have 10 times the sine of 20 degrees all over the sine of 122 degrees, 30 minutes. And this will give us 4.06, round off to the nearest hundredths. Let us answer the question, how far is the ship from post A? So ship S is 4.06 miles from post A. Gets?